Alam mo guys, ngayon happy ako dahil itong na-receive ko. Umuwi si Bryce sa school at itong pinakita sa ayan Top Tiger marking. Top siya ngayon. May recognition siya dito ngayon kasi magaling siya sa school. Yan. Top Tiger marking period 2. Wow, ang galing ha. Tapos ito may sulat siya dito kung mababasa mo. So ito si Bryce. Magaling ang ang rewards niya sa school dahil nag-uungod siya sa pag-aaral.
And on February 2, I'm gonna eat with the teachers for lunch.
Mabuti. Because
I was top tiger at school.
wow. High five, Bryce. Congratulations, Bryce. I'm very proud of you. What do you want to eat today for dinner? We can go out and get some burger. You want that? Or whatever you like. Okay? So ang galing talaga ni Bryce. Matalino to matalino. Pero alam mo naman ito, minsan may kapag luko-luko din to. Pero proud na proud talaga ako sa kanya dahil talaga, nabigyan siya ng reward sa school. What do you say, Bryce? What do you say about your school?
For school, I was like the Mr. John Aubin said that there is a top tiger in second grade Miss Shoppy's class, and he said it was me.
Right, just Bryce, thank you, Bryce. That's my boy.